In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel Spotify Premium. You'll not be able to cancel the premium via the application. For that, you'll have to open the Spotify in the web browser. Now, once you open the browser, click on the search bar and type in open.spotify.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Spotify. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to cancel the Spotify Premium, what you have to do is click on this icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, I'm being able to see this option for upgrade to premium. If you already have the premium version of the Spotify, you'll be able to see your plan over here. Right under it, you'll be able to find the option for change plan. All you have to do is click on it, or you can also click on this option account that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the account overview interface. Right over here too, you'll be able to find this option for your plan. Right under it, you'll be able to find the option for change plan. All you have to do is click on it. Once you click on that, what you have to do is simply scroll down to the cancel Spotify. You'll be able to find the option for cancel premium. All you have to do is click on it. After you do that, follow through the prompts in order to confirm, and you will receive a confirmation email that your premium has been cancelled. Keep in mind your account will remain premium until the next billing date, after which it switches to the free version, allowing you to keep your playlist and save music. So like this, you'll be able to cancel the Spotify Premium. So that is how you cancel Spotify Premium. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.